Hello, I am Arnab Chakraborty. I am having more than 26 years of academic teaching and more than 13 years of corporate training experiences. I've conducted training programs for more than 170 corporates across the world, and for different countries, for different companies. I conducted multiple batches, and for Accenture only, I conducted more than 36 batches. For IBM, more than 27 batches. For Ericsson, more than 26 batches, and so many companies in my list. So you might have seen me on the YouTube, because I'm having more than 2,500 videos on the YouTubes divided into 31 different subjects and album. So I'm associated with this CodeChef and Earn Academy conducting their courses. So I hope that this journey of learning will be very much resourceful and purposeful for all of us. We were getting requests from different students and from different sources to have a course on tips and tricks of competitive coding. So we know that this competitive coding is very important skill for those people or those students and professionals who are aspirant for IT related jobs. Because companies, these corporates, for their IT department, for their IT core IT department, they used to do the recruitment for those people who are having a very good national and international rank in the competitive coding. So it has become the cheapest way to get the best manpower, to select the best manpower in a short period of time. So that's why getting a skill and developing a skill in the competitive coding has become essential nowadays. In the present class, we shall discuss tips and tricks of Python for coding. So in this class, we shall discuss multiple different aspects of these tips and tricks of Python coding and for the coding. So now you know that in this particular case, we are expecting that the participants will have some basic idea on this Python programming language so that they can understand it better. But if you are coming from C++ or any other programming domain, obviously you can also attend the class, because ultimately we will be dealing with the logic, we'll be dealing with the programming algorithm and so on. To join this particular class, the link has been provided here, and you can click on the link to get the more details about the class timing, the class duration and the respective purpose of the class. You can use my referral code ORNOP10 for joining the class. You can join here and let's have a lots of fun of learning. Thank you.